Let's talk. Talanoa. When you see your friend, vaaia lawo. Hello, how are you? Tarofa, wa mai oe. I'm very well, thank you. Hello, manuia whawhetai. Are you hungry? O e whia ai? Yes, I am very hungry. Ioe wa o matua whia ai lava. I've got sandwiches if you like. He ei au sandwichi pea e manao ai. Oh yes, please, I'll have one. Oi, ioe wha mole mole. Au mai sa tasi. And a chocolate too. Male suka lati fo. Let's learn some colors. Name the colors of four-sided shapes on the right. Whaingoa lanu o tāwhawha o loo i le tū tamatau in Samoan, please. There you go. Blue, green, brown, red, yellow and orange. Can you try the Samoan names of those colors? How did you go? Okay, just say lanu and the name of the color. Lanu, male lanu I le wha Samoa. For the blue, lanu moana. For the green, lanu mea mata. Brown, lanu ena ena. Red, lanu mu mu. Yellow, lanu sama sama. Orange, lanu moli. Great job. Well, I wonder what they are. Ha! What face is that? It's a happy face. O le foliga fia fia. Next. Oh, what does that tell you? Sad. Talanoa. Next one. Oh, what is that? An angry face. Foliga ita. We have a happy face. Foliga fia fia. Sad face. Foliga whanoanoa. Angry face. Foliga ita. What face do you always have? Wow, foliga e te masani ai. And in the end, we say, have a nice morning, manuia le tae au. Have a nice day, manuia le aso. Have a nice evening, manuia le afiafi. Have a nice night, manuia le pō. Have a nice trip, manuia le malanga.